On Monday, we're driving on the northbound side because that's the only side that's open. It's only 9:33 a.m. on Monday. Sunday. Basically, like this nasty, grotesque sludge covers the ground. Up ahead, all sorts of debris. Film me because I want you to see a few boats up ahead. They moved, I guess, all the 30 boats kind of out of the way. It's just crap on top of crap on top of crap. And there's dirt. Who knows? Damn, look at that Chevron. That's one way to get out of business. Wonder how Home Depot did with all their crap in front of it. Not too bad. Just the T, the H, and the DE. Look at all these bricks. Don't spit in the camera. Holy shit, look at the red Mustang right there. Damn, that billboard on that bait and tackle place. How's the diner? The diner lives. I think there's a boat right here, right? Yep, there it is. Signing off for now.